In this video, we will design parts online. Then, we will laser cut them out. Next, we do a lot of sanding. This is LÜSHUN Destroyer Scratch Built 1/350 scale. I was in World of Warships looking over the Dockyard stuff, and honestly, I'm like, what? The Dockyard is pretty cool, so what if I actually built the Dockyard ship in real life? I guess that'll motivate me to build a thing, but also it'd be pretty cool, because you can have like a souvenir from the Dockyard. So that is exactly what I went and did. So, what I did next was, I designed the thing on here. This is, basically how I did it was, I just dragged this drawing over it, and then just copied all the parts on there, and then did a mirror line. So, how that worked was, say I wanted a part, I would just go and draw a line right here, make it parallel, draw something right there, and then I use the mirror button and copy it over there. And this is all on Onshape. I think Onshape is pretty cool. Here's also some of the superstructure stuff. This was the drawing that I used in specific, because LVshun is based on a Project 41 destroyer. I based it off of this drawing for the Neustrashimy Project 41 destroyer. They're pretty much the same. So even though I don't have actual blueprints of the LVshun, I just use this instead. So with all of this done, I get to send all these files onto Inkscape first. I color it, and then I send it to Glowforge, where it's going to be laser cut out.
Yeah, what is this? Did blood doing on the calculator? Is blood Einstein? What is this? Did he?
So what we have here, we have all the parts that I just laser cut out. Yeah, we have the hulls right here. So I did cut them out like the Black Swan I did a few months ago, where all the hulls are together. But it's going to be a bit weird because there's curves on there. Right here we have the stand, that's right there. And this is the forward nose, that's for the angle. Then we have the guns right here. These are the 130mm guns. And then you have some of the superstructure parts. These will just go on top of each other like this. And there we have the superstructure. It's pretty simple. I also have the funnels right here and a few of the little boats. But now we're gonna glue everything together, and then we can go do some sanding. Sanding is gonna be very fun in this one, ha 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 ha. Okay, so we finally finished the sanding, but this took so long, and you can see all the broken belts that this took. But now that we do have very realistic curves on the side of the ship, with the front nose too, we have the very sharp prow. It looks super nice. I'm gonna go paint this, and it's gonna look even cooler.
Yeah, what is this? Did blood doing on the calculator? Is blood Einstein? What is this? Did he?
Right here we have a bunch of sub-assemblies, including the rear funnel, 2 guns, and then the forward funnel, and I'm gonna glue all that on now. And I still have some other stuff I'm gonna paint, but pretty fast. Something slightly different I did this time was I used photo etch. So photo etch is usually used on the better model kits, but since I think this one looks very nice, I just did photo etch on it as well. And since this is very nice photo etch, it makes the model appear much more realistic and has a lot more very nice detail.